Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix repost problem on TikTok in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the repost issue. The repost option may not work due to app bugs, slow internet, or account restrictions. Sometimes the feature is not available on all videos. If you don't see the repost button, the creator may have disabled it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open the settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Step 3. Close and reopen TikTok. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to open app switcher. Then find TikTok and swipe it up to close. Then reopen the TikTok app. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Tap on your profile. Then tap on menu in 3 lines. Then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Next tap on log out. Then close TikTok and open it and sign back in. This refresh your account restrictions. Step 5. Update TikTok app. First go to the App Store. Then search for TikTok. Tap update if available. New updates often fix repost bugs. Step 6. Clear TikTok cache. Go to the profile, then tap on menu, then settings and privacy, then tap on free up space, then clear cache. And that's how you can fix the TikTok repost problem on an iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.